On the recruitment front, it's allowed me to understand the modern day needs to find a job in the marketplace, in today's needs.
Hello, my name is Roxanne and I'm a recruitment advisor at ITOL, and today I'm here with Phil. So welcome, Phil. Can you tell
Hello.
us about yourself and what do you do for a living?
I'm a development project manager within the retail industry, and I develop new products from design straight through to production and installation.
And where did you work prior to registering with us? Were you always in this industry that you're in currently?
Prior to this industry, I was in the injection moulding industry, producing parts for the automotive and retail and defence industries.
Okay. And what made you decide to study?
I needed to refresh my manufacturing course background due to the, changing requirements of modern day manufacturing effectively. We chose the Lean Six Sigma course. Okay, because it was a progressive course. It was the development of the manufacturing process for the quality control, and also involved a lot of the lean manufacturing as well.
With regards to ITOL, what did you enjoy most about ITOL?
I'll be honest with you, the most enjoyable section of it effectively was once the exam has been finished and the pressure has been released, updating the CV fully enough to advance the career.
And with regards to recruitment, were you happy with the process and all of the assistance you received in recruitment?
I was very happy with the professional setup, the very professional manner in which the service was delivered. It was very well structured, very well delivered. The way the CV was prepared and presented, and also the information on how it was linked with the LinkedIn process and the networking, was very professional. It was very friendly, very professional service.
Okay, thank you for that. Are you, or like right now, do you feel comfortable with making applications based on the CV that you've received, as well as how how we have assisted you with optimizing your LinkedIn profile?
I've not had to go through this process for a number of years, and it's enabled me to understand how I describe it as the current method, or if you like, of how this process is conducted, with how the industry has changed within this process, and it's brought me up to speed, to apply for jobs, and it allows you to be very confident in your approach now.
Yes. Would you say at all, like any process within ITOL, have you grown either professionally or personally in any way?
On the recruitment front, it's allowed me to understand the modern day needs to find a job in the marketplace, in today's needs.
All right. So thank you so much for joining me today, Phil. And us at ITOL, I wish you everything of the best in the future.
Thank you very much, Roxanne. Much appreciated.